In this course, we'll take you through how to use the Point Card Reader or Point Smart Terminal to easily process in-person orders or payments once you've set up GoDaddy Payments.
That's right, and the Point Smart Terminal works great for in-person sales if you have a physical store location, and it comes with built-in payment processing, receipt printer, and a barcode scanner, and we'll show you how to set it up.
We'll share how to process credit card transactions, create a product catalog, add products, load paper, and we'll even get into how you can customize your Smart Terminal screen and receipts.
If you primarily sell on the go at places like events, food trucks, or farmers markets, woo, my favorite, the Point Card Reader is the way to go. The card reader pairs with the GoDaddy mobile app for payment processing.
We'll show you how to set up your Point Card Reader and how to process, void, or refund transactions.
When you're ready to sell in person, join us and let's get started.